Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Technology Universe PT. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account without any number verification. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we have to connect with a VPN. I'm using AVG Secure VPN. I have run this already. So here is AVG Secure VPN. If you want to watch this, how to download this VPN and set this VPN, go to my channel. It's totally free. I have set this location to New Zealand, Auckland. So then we have to go to our browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, UC browser, anything. Use that browser which is not used more times in a day. So I am using Chromium and we have to search for Microsoft. Enter. Here is their official home page link. So if you want to create more account, then we have to bookmark this. I will show you how to bookmark their link. So first of all, we have to go to all Microsoft, then click here Outlook. So, then create free account. It's totally free and totally free to use. If you want to bookmark this, then click here in that star. Click here in that star. Then set this folder to bookmarks bar. Done. So we have to create our account. Here is our new email. I am entering my name. It's our extension, like extension, okay, and outlook to hotmail.com. Then click next. Create a password. You can set your password to a number. Then click next. Your first name, okay, Wilson Dever. Click next. Here is your location, New Zealand. Okay, I have set this before. Birth date will be your birthday. Here's my birthday. Then click next. Now we have to, it's for security reason, it will be great soon. We have to wait. It's a puzzle. We have to solve this puzzle. Done. Welcome. My account has been successfully created. So we have to wait until the account has been created. You can use this account totally free. Here is their inbox. If you want to create more account, then we have to clear our cookies. So Ctrl Shift delete, then clear data. If you want to create more, then click your bookmarks bar. It will take there. Create more account, enjoy, totally free. So viewers, if you like this video, then like my video and subscribe to my channel, comment and share to your friends so that they can create more account like you. Thank you so much. Connect with me to get more updates from me.